morning, adventurers. Welcome to Season 4 of Happy Trail Backpacking. This is Byllesby Lake behind me, and the sun's just rising over Byllesby Dam on the Cannon River, and that is Cannon Falls, Minnesota. Right back there. I don't know if you can make that out, but right over here is Cannon Falls, Minnesota. We are at Byllesby Lake Regional Park. We'll be doing a short little hike today. It is very cold. Alrighty, folks. Here we are at Lake Byllesby Regional Park. We're going to be doing pretty much the loop all the way around. It's only about 2 miles, and it is about 11 degrees outside. It is cold enough for me to put my second jacket on. So, it is chilly. Alright, now this is the third hike in a row. I forgot my neck warmer. When I get home, I'm gonna put it in my backpack. I'm not gonna forget it again, dang it. Lake Byllesby Regional Park here. It's like I said before, it's just located outside of Cannon Falls, Minnesota. Cannon Falls is on the Cannon River. And there's a dam, Lake Byllesby Dam, which has created a reservoir, which is Lake Byllesby. Later on in this hike, we're going to be going towards the central part of the lake. And looking down towards the western end. I really like the mixture here of the vast open prairies and then these little red cedar patches. There's little red cedar forests. And then back into another field. Alright, we've made it around to Byllesby Lake. Just behind me, you can see ice houses and trucks out there, out on the lake fishing. So here, we're facing west. The west end of the lake way down there. And then if you see over here, the lake goes around that peninsula over there through a channel, and then it continues on over there. And that's where I filmed the sunrises directly over there, obviously, because that's where the sun is. Here we go. We found a little path down to the lake. We can go jump on the ice. Got some banana bread and hot chocolate. Cheers. So the beginning of season 4, everybody, here at Lake Byllesby. Alright. Spent about 15 minutes there drinking my hot chocolate. It's starting to get cold though, so I gotta keep moving. Almost finished. Alrighty folks, back here at the start, at the car. It was a beautiful day today. Absolutely gorgeous, nice clear skies. For winter in Minnesota, that's not normal. It's very rare to have a nice clear sky like today. It's, as you can see now, the clouds are starting to come in. So it's getting overcast, which is normal for Minnesota in the winter time. It's usually forecast all 3-4 months. So it was a very beautiful day. Beautiful hike. Pretty cold. It's still about 11-12 degrees. It went up a degree. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. Love the red cedars all over the place. A couple of times I went off the trail, just like a little, 100 yards or so, and I could see it'd be very easy to get lost because of the randomness of the red cedars and the grass fields. It's just beautiful place. Thanks everyone for joining me, and I'll see you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.